Why is it so special? Because you have prepared it with all your heart. And you remember at in-acknowledge mong binibigyan mo because you are special to me. Dahil iniisip kita at pinapasalamatan kita. Ang mga bagay na maliliit na bagay kapag ito ay hinanda natin ang buong puso at inaalay, to anybody, masaya siya. At masaya tayo na tumunda. Yahweh is so rich. Yet, ang ating ikapo is so special to Him. Kung tutusin, He doesn't need, hindi niya kailangan ng magkano ang tithes mo. Even if you tithe so 500,000, 1 million, what is that to Him? He owns the cattle and 1,000 hills. He is rich. He doesn't need anything. Wala naman siyang pangailangan. Ngunit yung 20 pesos mo, ngunit yung 50, 100 mo na hinanda at tinabi kay Barry is so special to him. Is so tinatanggap niya ng buong puso. Sabi ko, it's not the amount. It is never the amount. And then, alam mo, kapanggot lang yung sweldo ko. Magkayat kalabaw pa ako. Magtatanim pa. Magpubuka ng lupa. Maghilamon. Tapos yun ako ng maliit lang. Dahil maliit lang ang aking tithes. Tanggap kayo ito niya bayawin? Yes. I gave a story before. The little boy, nagbigay siya ng isang sing-sing. Maliit na sing-sing. And then, nang binigay niya, sabi, itabi mo yung sing-sing kay hindi man yun kamahalin. Hindi mabenta eh. Itabi lang yung sing-sing. And then the little boy said, gamitin natin yung term, Elder! I did not give, hindi ko binigay ang ring na yan sa kung kanino man. I give it to a bayan. And shock siya na lahat. No matter ano man yung halaga na yun, insignificant, tingnan ng iba. Yet, sa kay Barry, that is very significant. Everybody gave, wow, daming pera, daming offer. Nakatinginan sila. Doon siya sure. Well, the old lady, nagbigay siya, maliit lang na pera, binigyan. Yeshua said, itong babaeng ito, the poor widow, the poor woman, has given everything. Siya pinakamahal, pinakamalaking binigay sa lahat. Yeshua, liit man lang yung binigay niya. Because kayo ay nagbigay out of your riches. Sincerely, yun lang yung binigay niya sa inyo. Siya, binigay niya her whole income. Ganun lang, pero mahal sa kanya, pero ganun lang kalit. Halos buong income niya binigay. It's not in the amount. When it comes to tithing, it is not the amount. It is the heart, the obedient heart na tinitingnan niya, Barry. Do you honor me with your blessings? Do you honor me with your income? How I have blessed you? Pinagpala kita, binigyan kita ng buhay, binigyan kita ng kalakasan, binigyan kita ng lahat na kaalaman. Ino-honor mo ba ako sa maliit na bagay? That's why, if we don't honor Abba Yahweh, who are we not to honor Abba Yahweh? You have brought me. It's not only money. You have brought me of praises. Dapat purihin mo ako. But you see, si Abba Yahweh does not demand. Grabe, no? He has given us free will. It's up to you to praise Abba Yahweh, to worship Him, to give your tithes to Him. It's up to us because He has given us freedom. But to those na kusa na lumalapit sa Kanya, na pupuri sa Kanya, He accepts. You're cursed with a curse. For the nation and all of it, you are robbing. Abba Yahweh, I don't want to rob you. Ayaw kong nakawan ka. Of course, you shall not steal. You shall not steal. Bring all the tithes into the storehouse, so that there may be food in my house. And test me now with this, says Yahweh of hosts, whether I will not open the windows of the heavens for you and pour out a blessing until there is no sufficiency of room to store it. Yahweh will always open the windows of blessings. Yahweh will pour out His blessings upon us on the condition na hindi tayo maging makasarili. Bring it, give it to Him. Give it to Him, all our tithes, so that there may be food in my house. And test me with this, says Yahweh of hosts, whether I will not open the windows of the heavens for you, and pour out a blessing until there is no sufficiency of room to store. When we give our tithes, it doesn't mean that we will be really super rich. Yahweh is sufficient. He will provide all our needs step by step. Step by step. He will prosper us. Dahil ayaw niya tayong ma-pollute. Ayaw niya tayong ang isang bata, pag binigay mo lahat, magkakaroon siya ng hindi siya maging good steward. So Yahweh will bless us. Yahweh will sufficiently provide for us. It is a test. It is a process. Every Abba Yahweh, ang lahat nito, pinagpala mo, binabalik ko sa iyong kapatid. Binabalik ko sa iyo, I offer this to you. So it's our agreement, so we give our tithes to Abba Yahweh. And verse 11, I will rebuke the devourer for you, and he shall not destroy the fruit of your ground against you. Abba Yahweh, kinain yung manok ko, ano nangyari kaya doon? Nasalanta ang mga pananim ko, ano kaya nangyari doon? Saan ako may pagkukulang sa iyo? Saan ako nagkakamali? Ayaw naman ni Abba Yahweh mag-focus tayo sa salapi, ayaw niya mag-focus tayo sa tinanong ko si Aba, huwag mong lablab ang manok ha, ang chicken. Lablab mo sa Abba Yahweh ha. Opo, lablab sa Abba Yahweh. Kasi ang tendency natin, mag-focus tayo doon sa kung anong meron tayo. Kung anong binigay ni Abba Yahweh sa atin, mag-focus tayo sa kanya. And when we give our tithes to Abba Yahweh, He will rebuke the devourer. Magtataka ka. The whole week, hindi ko man nagkukulang. Again, go back. Ang nagkuha ng marami, hindi naman yumaman. At sumubra. Ang dami kunuha ng mana. Pero, ang mana na yun, ang kakainin ng laman din nila ay abot na nilang maubos. Ngunit ang kumuha ng katamtaman lang, hindi naman nagkulang. Kaya, if your income is just, ito lang eh. Pero, you will see, hindi ka